Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the Tirtir Milk Skin Rice Toner, a product we've been testing to see whether it really delivers that soft, focused, brightened glass skin effect. Starting with pros, the texture is beautifully lightweight, almost milky but still watery enough to absorb instantly. It leaves the skin glowing, hydrated, and visibly smoother after just a couple of uses. We also notice a temporary pore blurring effect, which makes the skin look cleaner and more refined. It layers well under makeup without pilling, and the formula feels gentle enough for daily use. Now the cons. While the glow is amazing, this product might not be ideal for oily or acne-prone skin. We experienced minor breakouts the first week, likely because of the hydrating film it leaves on the skin. The fragrance is also noticeable, which may not work for sensitive users, and the glass bottle, while pretty, isn't the most travel-friendly. Overall, this toner is fantastic for adding radiance and a smoothing texture, but not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you have dry to combination skin and want instant glow, it's a gem. But if you're breakout prone or sensitive, patch testing is a must. Still, the finish it gives is undeniably beautiful. This has been how to literally keep this smart and simple and scam-free.